brand owner, I have launched a new product in my brand and I want to send the promotional emails to all my existing customers with a special offer in order to encourage them to make a purchase once again with us. So now here on my screen, you can see a Google Sheet in which I have all my already existing customers detail. And here manually sending emails to each and every customer is very tiring task. So in that case, I have built an automation that automatically send the same promotional email to all my customers with their personalized name. And not only this, if I add new detail in this Google Sheet, then it is going to send that same mail to that customer as well. Yes, here on the screen, you can see this simple automation that I have built by simply connecting my Google Sheet with my Gmail account using an amazing automation software named as Pabbly Connect. And now here in this tutorial, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation for yourself too by using this amazing software. So to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you are planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. I have already automated my entire business, that too for lifetime, because currently it is offering the lifetime deal at a very cost-effective price. So go and get yours now. Alright, now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window here. You can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the Access Now. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So to build a new connection, I'm going to create a new workflow first by clicking on this option, and it is asking us to select the workflow builder. So you can see two options. One is new beta and another one is classic. Beta version is modern, fast and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says send bulk promotional emails to your customers. And for the folder, we are going to click on this drop down menu and you can see the multiple folders that I have with different names. So in this case, I'm going to select my folders automations. You can create and select it as per your requirement. And now here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So as you know that I have my customer details in Google Sheets. So we're going to select our trigger as Google Sheets and our app event as new or updated spreadsheet true. You can connect your database as per your requirements such as Microsoft Excel or Notion as well. Alright, we're going to click on this connect button, and here you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means we're going to use this webhook URL to connect our Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy the webhook URL, and here I've already logged inside my Google Sheets account. So this is the spreadsheet that I've created, and here we're going to build a connection between this spreadsheet and Pabbly Connect. So to build this connection, you need to install an add-on your Google Sheets account first, and for that you need to click on this extension, then select add-ons, and from here select get add-ons. Now here in this Google Workspace Marketplace, you need to search for an add-on that is Pabbly Connect Webhooks. And then you need to install this particular add-on your Google Sheets account in order to connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So you can see it is already installed in my account. So I'm going to move back. Once you're going to install the add-on, then you need to follow exactly the same steps. Alright, so after installing the add-on, refresh your Google Sheets, and that's a necessary step. After that, click on this extensions and you will be able to see the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So from here, select initial setup. Now under this initial setup, you can see it is asking for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So here for the webhook URL, we are going to add the URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. And for the trigger column, it says the trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So here you can see in my Google Sheet, my last data column is column C. So we're going to add our trigger as C, and then we're going to click on the submit. It says setup configured successfully. That means we have successfully set up a webhook inside our Google Sheet. Now here after building this connection, let's test this connection by clicking on this send test button and it says test data sent successfully. That means we have successfully sent the first rate of this Google Sheet on this webhook URL, that means on our Pabbly's workflow. So let's go and check it. But before that, let me tell you that you need to perform another very important step to completely connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. For that, click on this extension, select Pabbly Connect webhooks and turn on the send on event. By turning it on automatically, when you're going to add a new detail in your sheets, instantly Pabbly is going to capture the response. Alright, let's go and check it, and you can see we have received a tick in front of the send on event. That means we have successfully turned it on. So let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received all the details. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received the customer detail, then instantly we are going to send a promotional email to this customer via Gmail. So for that, we are going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Gmail. Then for the app event, we are going to select send email, and then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, we are going to select add a new connection. If your account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, we are going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. Then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly is your data secured with Pabbly, and you can see we're now successfully connected. Let's move forward. Here it is asking for the sender name. So here I'm going to add my brand name, that is Digital Dynamics. And here you can see a sender email address has been updated automatically, so we're not going to change it. And then here it is asking for the recipient email addresses. So here I need to enter the address to whom I want to send this mail. So here instead of entering the recipient email address manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that we're going to receive a new detail through our Google Sheets. Then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So to map the data, we are going to enter a slash first, and then we're going to search for the email address. So this is the email address. Now here the CC, BCC and reply to are not required one, so we're going to leave them blank. For the email subject, I'm going to enter the subject as a special offer just for you. So this is the subject and I've entered it manually because I want to make this email subject constant for each and every customer. Alright, then comes the email content. So here if you want to generate the HTML body content, then you can click on this hyperlink and it will take you to a tutorial where you can learn how you can create this HTML email content. By sending a HTML content email, you are going to send the attractive emails to your customers or leads. So I'm going to add my HTML content body over here. Let me do that. Alright, so here you can see I've successfully added the HTML content body, and here I've mapped my customer's name in the place of this customer name in order to make this mail personalized. Alright, so this is the entire mail content. Then for the content type, we're going to select HTML from the drop down, and here this labels and these fields are not required ones, so we're going to leave them blank. After adding the details, we're going to click on the save and send test request, and you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a mail to our customer on their Gmail account. So now let's go and check the mail that our customer has received. Alright, so this is the mail that our customer has received 0 minutes ago with the subject as a special offer just for you. This is the sender name, and this is a personalized mail that our customer has received. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now here to send the bulk promotional emails to all these customers in once, what we are going to do is that we are going to click on this extension, select Pabbly Connect webhooks, and from here select send all data. Once you're going to do this, automatically these all customers are going to receive a personalized promotional email via Gmail. Yes, and if you're going to add a new detail in your Google Sheet, then also that customer is going to receive a promotional email instantly with a personalized name. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to send bulk promotional emails to your customers. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then don't forget to use my special discount code that is available in the description box below. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.